Welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to use a promo code on TapTap Send. So let's get started. Now once you created or set up your account, you would just need to select any country of these so you can input a promo code. So let's say Bangladesh. Now on this new page you can tap on add a promo code right here. So here you have your promo code, but you can't use that promo code for this transfer. So you can't use your own promo code for your transfers. But you can use this one right here, which I will also link in the comments below. So you can just copy paste the promo code from the description below if you need a promo code. But essentially to use a promo code, you would just need to tap add promo code and just paste over the promo code right here. From there, once you have the promo code pasted, so this promo code specifically will give you 5 to 15 euros or dollars once you make your transfer. So if you want to use that promo code, you can find it in the description below. But once you have the promo code pasted, you can just tap enter. And then for me, I get this message right here because I tried to use my own promo code. So it just says you can't redeem your own code, but the code from the description below will work for you. So once you input the code, you can just go ahead and tap next and make this transfer, which will give you $5 to $15. So essentially, that's guys how you can use. Essentially, that's guys how you can use or add promo codes or referral codes to the TapTap Send app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.